It can slide a little bit, that's for sure. A little bit of an aggressive peel out. Now, I guess the real question is it an operator issue or is it a traction issue? It's either one or two things. We either need more practice doing burnouts, or, which I'm probably sure this is what it is, we need ladder bars, traction bars, something, cow tracks, something to stop that wheel hop, that really aggressive wheel hop. We're also going to look into pinion angle in a couple future videos. So we're going to address that and get it ready for summer. See you guys in the next one.